Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited is the advanced manufacturer of China's brick and tile equipment. Our wish is becoming a well-known supplier all around the world. Our company has won many awards, such as the National High-Tech Enterprise, one of 500 strongest building materials enterprise in China, Tiny Giant Science and Technology Leading Enterprise in Fujian Province, Famous Brand Products in Fujian Province, Fujian Famous Trademark, Science and Technology Enterprise in Fujian Province, Vice President of Fujian Intelligent Manufacturing Development Association, Vice President of China Brick and Tile Industry Association, the Energy-Saving Machinery Fixed-Point Production Enterprise of China Brick and Tile, Putian City-Level Enterprise Technology Center, which has received more than 10 national invention patents and has invested more than 30 national patent products in China. We are leading the new development of the industry and providing the automation services for the transformation and upgrading of China's brick and tile industry. New Orient, new image. Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited is located in Shanyou City, well known as Zhou, which is the seashore of the literature. We have a total investment of 360 million RMB, having more than 60,000 square meters of garden-style factory area. Our company is adhering to the corporate philosophy of rigorous, innovative, united, and responsible. We're taking the technological innovation as the basis of the quality and treating the brand marketing as a market principle, taking corporate culture as the development driving force, and treating sincere service as the corporate purpose, promoting the comprehensive utilization of resources, and striving to develop the new set of wall material automation brick and tile equipment by using the coal gauge, shale, fly ash, construction slag, river silt, metallurgical and chemical waste as the raw materials. Our machines are widely used in China and sold all around the world, such as Vietnam, India, Indonesia, Myanmar, Malaysia, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tanzania, South Africa, Central Africa, Cameroon, Syria, Libya, United Arab Emirates, etc. New Orient, new technology. Our research and development team has gone abroad for deeply studying, has absorbed the advanced technology domestically and abroad, and developing the new products constantly. We have solved the technical problems continuously in the machine use for the after-sales products, as providing the effective technical support for developing the automatic brick production line. With Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited, research and develop independently. The JKY 90-85 vacuum extruder combined with 6-mud strip. This equipment is suitable for the production line of block bricks and rectangular bricks. We have made the high-speed, multifunction stacking machines adopting the international advanced technology, which are self-developed. It's suitable for the section with 4.6 meters to 9.2 meters in the tunnel Keelan. Our robot arm stacking machine, automatic stacking machine, and such equipment have already been widely used in the global area as our technology is mature and stable. They are applicable to the automatic production line of the new wall materials with an annual output of 60 million to 200 million standard bricks. The cutting, stacking, and transportation system adopt the international well-known brand automatic control system, has the advantage of high efficiency and low faults, using the servo drive, which is efficient and accurate. Our good quality products have won the trust of domestic and foreign users. The innovative application of a series of products enable our factory into a new stage in the automation of brick and tile equipment and promoting the new development of the brick and tile industry. The main products in our factory is as following: Industrial Robot Cutting, Stacking and Transporting System, GZMP New Type Multifunction Stacking System, JKY 90-85 Double-Stage Vacuum Extruder, the new generation of JKY 75-70 Double-Stage Vacuum Extruder, Block Brick, JKY 70-65 Double-Stage Vacuum Extruder with Double Mud Strip Extrusion, JKY 60-60 Double-Stage Vacuum Extruder, LNJ3600 fine crusher machine, SQTP servo strip and billet cutting system, GS1200 by 1000 high-speed fine and crushing roller machine, GP1200 by 1000 double wheel crusher, SJJ3600 double shaft mixer and extrusion machine, processing equipment series of raw material, kiln operating equipment, etc. New Orient, new service. We Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited have the experienced and skilled sales service team and perfect sales service network. Our customer service method is flexible and diverse when implementing the internet sales to track the operation service. Our factory provides the engineering and technical personnel to the planning site without charges, and we will provide the visibility reports and preliminary raw material testing, centering tests, overall planning, and industry access standardization. We're striving to reduce the investment costs and improve the production processes and automation level for users, as we are adhering to the principle of sincere service and sincere work. Our factory uses the professional standards and professional attitudes and committed to promoting new technologies, new material, and new processes in the brick and tile industry. Our purpose is to let the users to share scientific and technological achievements, the market resources, and high efficiency and low consumption to pursue the perfect service. New Orient, new future. New Orient, new departure. We Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited is committed to developing and applying the advanced energy-saving production technology to improve the automation degree, reducing the energy consumption, and to manufacture high-value-added products. We're committed to creating a new development model of which is prosperous waste, recycling, energy saving, and high efficiency, so that we can contribute to the development of low-carbon economy. We're committed to setting an example for the majority of the brick and tile enterprises, and we're to provide transformation and upgrading service for the new wall materials enterprise. We are to witness together in the future. You will see a vibrant Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited is towarding the future with a new attitude. We Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited is working hard and will share results with you. Recycling, energy saving, entertainment. We are devoted ourselves to making the earth to become more green. Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited. The products produced in the project are made of recycling waste, the building foundation soil, sand washing mud, coal gauge, and such materials, of which the annual output of the production line is of 150 million center bricks. Passed through the earth-filling box and blended according to proportion, the raw material is sent to the crusher through the conveyor belt. There is a little noise when processing the raw material in the crusher, thus the sealed and closed noise reduction treatment is considered. The crushed raw material is sieved through the sieving machine, with dust being generated in the process. Therefore, a large dust collector is disposed for dust removal to ensure the dust concentration reach the national discharge standard. The raw materials will contain 13 to 15% of water after the addition of water and mix in the first mixer, and no dust will be generated thereafter. The processed raw materials are piled up in the aging room to improve the plasticity. Then the aged raw materials are shoveled into the feeder by a forklift. To ensure the quality and output of the production, We Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited uses one-time firing process of hard plastic extrusion molding according to the actual situation, adopts the JKY 70-65 double-stage vacuum extruder of high extrusion pressure and high vacuum degree, employs the servo cutting system to cut the mud strips and the billets. and adopts the automatic stacking system to stack the wet bricks on the kiln car. Then the palletized bricks are transported to the drying chamber by kiln cars. And the residual heat of the roasting kiln can is sent to the drying lane by the wind blower. After that, the dried bricks would be moved to the roasting lane for roasting and being sold. We can say that the whole process of bricks making is of high intensity of automation, low level of labor cost, and waste efficiency. The thermal energy is from the cinder, as full internal combustion roasting process is adopted in this project. The main substances of the gas generated in coasting chamber during process are SO2 and soot. Therefore, a set of desulfurization tower, which can desulfurize the sulfur of 95%, is being used to make the concentration of discharged SO2 and soot meet the emission standards for air pollutants in brick and tile industry. The production wastewater, mainly from the cooling water of fan blower and water used by the vacuum pump, which contains no toxic and harmful substances, can be discharged through the drainage ditch after oil separation and decontamination. After being treated by above measures, the decibel of noise and the emission of waste gas and water can reach the national standards. And also, this recycling waste can be more energy-saving, can environment-friendly without any damage to natural environment. Thanks for choosing our products and the trust of our company, Fujian New Oriental Machinery Company Limited. We are deeply honored and being grateful.